leaving town for spring break are anxious to get out of today's weather anyway.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for spring. George, please tell me that it's coming at least soon.
We've gone past spring into summer here about a week ago.
Yeah,
now we're back to
go.
winter. And then we'll redo, so we'll do spring and then summer. Maybe not quite that quickly, but definitely a winter-like day. A couple of stray snowflakes here and there. 13 weather ball, thankfully, is red. We have warmer weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
And some breaks in the clouds now taking place along the lakeshore. We said it would be late day clearing. Even it looks like there's a good deal of sunshine up in the Pentwater area. It's still overcast for the most part here in Grand Rapids, and it is cold. It is in the mid-30s, 38, the warm spot here in Muskegon. We're still at 33 here at WZZM 13, and that represents a change of about 10 to 15 degrees colder compared to yesterday at this time. And the clouds are starting to break up, so we'll see some pre-sunset sunshine, hopefully. A quiet weather pattern shaping up. We're going to see a good deal of sunshine here during the day tomorrow as that cold front is now pushed all the way to the east coast and back to the west. Hardly any weather going on. So tonight skies are going to be clearing. We'll have a nice sunny day coming up during the day tomorrow. Notice a couple of showers to our south Thursday night, not going to affect us. Another dry start to our day on Friday as some high clouds come in late in the day. We'll call it mostly sunny. Now on Saturday, we've been talking about some rain, but it looks like the bulk of the rain is going to be just to our south and a little bit more to the north, so we may only see just enough to wet the ground, a little bit more down toward I-94, but all of that pulls to the east, and you know what, that's going to set us up, I think, for a great Easter Sunday. We'll see a lot of high clouds around, but nonetheless, it'll be milder, very seasonable temperatures up into the 50s. Any rain that we do get will be coming Saturday, late Friday night into Saturday. You can see not even enough to measure here in Grand Rapids. During the day Saturday, most of it will be south of Chicago, south of Indianapolis, all the way down into Kentucky. In terms of temperatures, tomorrow a little bit warmer by about 5 to 10 degrees, up to 42, jumping to 53 on Friday, and right around 52 despite the rain to the south on Saturday. Looking farther ahead, equal chances for warmer or colder temperatures from the 2nd through the 6th of April. Same 5-day period, we have a high chance that we'll see less precipitation. As far as tonight, though, skies will be clearing quickly. Mid and upper 20s northern part of the lakeshore zone, low 30s elsewhere, everyone below freezing. Mid and upper 20s up north with clearing skies. Similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area. We'll see clearing skies, temperatures in the upper 20s. 13 on your side forecast. Sunshine Friday, Thursday and Friday, cloudy with a chance of rain. I think most of that will be trending from Grand Rapids south, mostly cloudy Sunday and 53. Average high is 49. We'll be right around that average high Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with that rain Monday, but right now, the rest of the week leading in to the following weekend, it's going to be warmer with some sunshine.
That looks like spring, Elena.
Yes,
there you go, Elena.
I appreciate it. Thanks for bringing it, George.
Been more of a wintry day than anything else. A couple of snowflakes, but on the whole, it was just cloudy, breezy, and chilly. We're going to turn that around starting tomorrow. 13 weather ball is red, so we have warmer weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
And every day at 5:30, we have our dog walking forecast. This is Polo, just being cute. Jalen, going to give you the green paw for your evening walk. It's going to be chilly, mid-30s and even a little bit below freezing in the morning for another great walk. Giving you green paw then. Just bundle up and be outside a very short period of time. A lot more sunshine here tomorrow. 7.5 out of a 10-point scale. Virtually sunny all day long compared to today. And the wind is going to be down. Yesterday, 9.4. Tomorrow, 3.1. Still enough to create enough green energy around the state of Michigan. Skies are clearing, already clearing in southwest lower Michigan. I can see some breaks on the western horizon here in Grand Rapids. And so with clearing skies here tonight, lightning winds, temperatures are going to get a little bit cooler. Cold front has gone through all the way to much of the east coast, taking all the rain with it. Our skies are going to remain clear tonight and during the day tomorrow. You can see that overnight and during the day. Plenty of sunshine. Any rain tomorrow will be well to our south. We're also going to be dry overnight Thursday night through Friday with just a few high clouds. We'll call it mostly sunny. Into Saturday, the trend is for bulk of the rain to stay south of Grand Rapids, maybe even south of I-94. Might get a couple of sprinkles here in Grand Rapids, but back to dry weather by the end of the day. Easter Sunday, no change there as well. We'll see mostly cloudy skies, few breaks. Any rain will stay again away from West Michigan. No rain here in the next 48, 72 hours. This is Saturday morning, so nothing even Friday night now. A little bit of light rain down towards Chicago and South Bend, but here in Grand Rapids, we're not going to see any measurable rain, it now appears, all the way through the weekend. A little bit more to the south. Temperature-wise, we'll be up into the low 40s tomorrow. That's an improvement over today. Low 50s then on Friday. Saturday will be in the low 50s despite those clouds and a few sprinkles of rain. Long-range outlook, though, this is the 4th through the 10th, with higher chances for warmer temperatures to return, cheering yay, and a little bit higher chance for more precipitation as well during that 7-day period. Tonight, though, skies clearing. It'll be in the upper 20s and low 30s, below freezing everywhere. Winds will be lighter out of the west. North, mid and upper 20s with clearing skies this evening, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, dropping down to 27 to 29 for overnight lows. 13 on your side forecast. Our best chance of rain will be from Grand Rapids south on Saturday, and if it continues trending south, we may be able to take it out of the forecast. Just mostly cloudy and 53 on Sunday. Another round of rain, no change there for Monday, and then climbing out of the 40s to near 50 early next week into the upper 50s, maybe even 60 by the end of the following week. So a little more spring-like.
And it looks dry for Easter, which is important to
Yeah.
a lot of
So
families.
far, so good.
That looks nice. Thanks, George.
Just an earmuffs and gloves kind of night out on the deck tonight.
How can you tell?
Ah, you got them on.
I got them on. I'm tired of just going between, all sorts of my clothes. I got to put some of them away sometime.
Maybe next week.
Maybe next week. Maybe this weekend. That'd be nice.
That would be.
The forecast is improving for the weekend in terms of temperature. As for a very wintry cold day today. 13 weather ball is red. Warmer weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
Highs today have climbed into the upper 30s, mid-30s here in Grand Rapids, 40 Ionia, Kalamazoo. Those are the warm spots here in West Michigan. Within 1 degree of our forecast high. We're back on track. Hopefully extend that through the end of the month with that warming trend. The reason why it's so cold is that we've had that cold air wrapping around, a little trough of low pressure moving on through, but the weather pattern is going to be shifting between now and the end of the week, coming more from a west-southwest direction all the way through Tuesday, and we'll see a little bit of energy come through, so we have a chance of some rain Monday into Monday night, and then we cool off just briefly middle part of next week, and then another big warm up toward the following weekend, looking pretty good. A little bit more spring-like weather pattern shaping up between now and the end of the month into early next week. Lots of heavy rain down in the Tampa Bay area, departing showers in the northeast. It'll be very quiet across much of the U.S. except some showers down here in Texas and some rain in the Pacific Northwest. Big monster low there. But we've got clearing skies taking place already, clearing at the lakeshore down toward Kalamazoo where there's a lot of sunshine. By 8 o'clock, most of the clouds will have dissipated. Clear, cool night tonight, getting well down into the mid and upper 20s, and then as the sun sticks around all day tomorrow, they'll zoom right up into the low and mid 40s. Yeah, that's not terribly warm, but certainly warmer than 36 today. We will see a quiet night Thursday night. Friday, a few high clouds. We'll call it mostly sunny. And temperatures are going to be warming up nicely, perhaps even 50 plus. A couple of showers on Saturday, but you notice most of the rain is now to the south and to the north and east of Grand Rapids. So we may end up with just enough to wet the ground now on Saturday. No Saturday washout. And Sunday is looking terrific. No change there with mostly cloudy skies, but mild seasonable temperatures up into the low 50s. In terms of rainfall, you'll see that we're not going to see a lot here in the greater Grand Rapids area, maybe just enough to wet the ground, a little bit to the north, that's not a lot, and most of the heavier rain will be down in Indiana, all the way down toward the Indianapolis area. As far as our forecast for tomorrow, nothing but blue skies and sunshine, a little bit warmer, around 40 north, low 40s further south. Northern zones, you can expect upper 30s to around 41 degrees, a few degrees warmer than today, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, 42 for a high, 45 in Battle Creek. 13 on your side forecast. Rain, 60% of the area. I think about 40% will that be from Grand Rapids South, 20% north. Dry still for Easter Sunday, low 50s. Average high is 49. We'll be closer to that Monday through Wednesday of next week. We've got some rain in the forecast for Monday and Monday night. And then the end of next week, climbing into the mid and upper 50s, maybe even 60 by the following Saturday.